The Grant Smart Flow sensor measures the flow rate within the installed system to measure the system flow to help calculate the coefficient of performance, also known as COP. Over time, the function will also show the running seasonal coefficient of performance, also known as SCOP. The Smart Flow sensor should be installed in a location that limits any interference with the flow measurement. For guidance on achieving optimal measurement accuracy, refer to the Aerona Smart Controller installation and operating instructions. To configure the Smart Flow sensor using the Aerona Smart Controller, go to the Settings icon on the bottom left of the main menu, select Service Settings and type the 4-digit password 0000 and tap Enter. Select Installation Controller from the menu, followed by Flow Meter, and select Pulse, then tap the tick to confirm. Starting at the top of the list and working downwards, tap on each item to adjust the parameters required. A copy of the suggested settings is supplied in the Aerona Smart Controller installation and operating instructions. To return to the home screen, tap the back arrow. Find out more at grantuk.com.